TRAEGER Silverton. Silverton 620, specially made here at Costco. As you can see, it can hold up to 20 pounds of pellets. Any flavor you like. I recommend oak, mesquite, hickory. You put those flavors together, bam. Probably the best combination of food ever. You know, you can store a bunch of things under here. Not bodies. But on the top, as you can see, don't look at the top actually. At the bottom, as you can see, very clean. You line it with foil. You can do all those things. But on the top, don't look at the top. Hey, don't look at the top. Anyways, as you can see, Silverton TRAEGER 620. Go get it, folks. So as you can see, we loaded the hopper with pellets. Not much, because we're only cooking chicken. As you can see, the Silverton 620 comes with the D2. That's the Wi-Fi technology. You can be anywhere you want. Cook anything you want. Not bodies again. But anything else, really. Anything else that could fit in this guy, you're game. You're good. I'm gonna set the dial to 300, then press ignite. I mean, I don't know how much easier it can get from there. Then we just wait, because it's winter. That's all we could do is wait. Oh my goodness. It's working. You thought there was a problem. That's what it does. So as you can see, the Silverton 620 likes to put on a good show when you start it up. So, as it reaches temperature right now, currently climbing 67, 68, 69. It's igniting. So it's just, you know, building up the temperature, getting ready to cook the chicken, making everyone happy. See you soon. Oh, hey there, folks. Alrighty, so as you can see, we're rolling at a 305-degree temperature. Why 305? Because the chicken loves it. We're gonna pop this guy. We're gonna look. So I already put the chicken in. We're gonna take a look in here. Alrighty, as you can see, it's cooking at a 305-degree temperature. We added a smoke tube. You can see that's to the left. The patent's still pending, so we can't really, you know, show any more of that. Let me close it real quick. And don't forget, guys, set it and forget it. That's all, folks.